Welcome back to the Theme Builder series, and this is part 5 where we're going to walk through using menus with SeedProd. Now, the menus are actually set up in the built-in menu section of WordPress, and it's separate from SeedProd. But it's important to understand how menus work and how you can actually create them in WordPress and then include them into your SeedProd pages. So in the last video, we looked at the global CSS where we changed our colors, updated our headers, our background, our text, our buttons, forms, and a few other things. Now this one, we're going to update our menu here in the header. And if we come down, there might be another menu here, but I don't believe so. So I'm just going to keep this website simple. We're going to have a home button, a blog button, and then a pricing page. So right now these are out of order and I don't want the sample page here anymore. So let's come back to WordPress and I'm going to come under pages, all pages, and I'm just going to delete some of the pages here that I don't want or need. I'll bulk delete these just so they're gone. And now we just have our home and blog page. Now if we refresh the page, we'll see that the sample page is gone because it no longer exists. Next, we want to come down under appearance and we want to go under menus. So here we can see the menu options that we have. So we have the menu structure, we have the menu name. So I'm just going to change this to maybe main menu. And here I'll say edit your default menu by adding or removing items. So we can take any items on this left side and we can put them into the right side here. You can also drag and drop and change the order of these. And then we can click on create menu and it looks like that was successful. Let's go ahead and we can refresh this page and you can see that we have a main menu now, and SeedProd will automatically pull that menu into the top menu here. If you decide to have more than one menu in various places on your page, you will have to go inside of the SeedProd page builder and select the menu and which one that you will want from the drop down menu. So let's go ahead and create a new menu so I can show you what I mean. Let's call this main menu 2 and let's create the menu here. Now it also gives you the options down here for the settings to auto add pages. So any top level pages that you create under pages, it'll automatically add them. I'm going to leave that on check because I like manually adding them myself, as well as the display locations in your page. So right now we only have one section, which is the SeedProd block menu, which I believe would be this section right here. So on the left hand side, we can add our elements and I'm just going to put the blog page first. So this will be a little bit different. It'll be reversed than the other main menu. Let's go ahead and save this. Okay, so now we have main menu 1 and main menu 2. If we click on manage locations, you can see that we have two options here. Let's come back to SeedProd, the theme builder, and now we can tell that this is located in our header. So we can come down to our header file, edit the design, and I don't want you to be overwhelmed by the block editor here yet. If you've never seen the SeedProd page builder before, don't worry about this yet. We're going to get deeper into that in the next video. But I do want you to notice up here, there's an orange box here with the menu. Let's click the cog wheel here for the block settings. And on the left-hand side, we have the options. This is the content for that specific block. And everything on this page is a block, such as the logo, for example. But under this menu, you can see that we have main menu selected. We could switch this to main menu 2, and you can see that that changed. So the blog is now on the left-hand side and home. So I'll switch it back and you can see the differences. Now that it's main menu 2, let's go ahead and save this and I'll refresh the page. And there you go. That's how you can select different menus for different places on your website. I'm going to switch this back to main menu and we'll save and close this. Now I just want to show you quickly how easy it is to add a menu somewhere else on your page. So for example, let's come to our footer and I'll edit the design here. So this is the same footer that we can see on the bottom of our pages, and our conditions are set to have this footer display on every single page. So right now let's add a menu somewhere in this page. So I'll just come under the blocks, I'll search for a menu or block, and we'll take this and we'll just drag this right here. I'm going to select this and under settings go to WordPress menu, and I'm just going to select main menu 2. So this is how you could create, say for example, a footer menu, and then we could display this on their footer pages. And there you go, you can see that that was placed there. So this gives you the flexibility to create an unlimited amount of menus and to display them in any place in any order on your page. So for example, on your blog pages, maybe you want to display a sidebar here and have your menus in the sidebar if you like. The benefit of this is that they're completely customizable and easy to organize. I'm going to come back and delete this block and just save this page and exit the theme builder. Let's go ahead and refresh. We can see that we have our main menu 1 in the header and we've removed the second one down here. I hope this video was helpful and you have a better understanding of how the WordPress menus work in tandem with the SeedProd theme builder. In the next video, we're going to look at how to update the starter theme content. For example, the text on the page, the logo, the images, and anything else that you see on the website itself. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.